think I finally hit upon the right design. I'm going to make a bigger version. These are for the chicks. That's why that one's so much lower. I'm going to put these both on bricks because even this one is a little too low for the chicks and even the adult silky. But initially, I cut out a hole and I squared the bottom because I used the cups cut in half and just glued them to the top of the circle. And these are the ones. But it would, if you overfilled, filled it all the way to the top like it should be, so you don't have to worry about filling it up so often, it would overrun and flow out of the bottom. So that's why I did the circles. I got them more than half filled. They're above the tops of the where the cups are. And they were using that one, so I tested it out already. I need to make a more stable base. I can see them knocking these things over. But the last of the chick starter for this group is in there. I need to buy some more for the next batch, but I don't have to do that for another couple of weeks. I got 2.5 weeks before they should be hatching, if they hatch any. I'm still going to put the hens out here, and I may go ahead and order some leghorns if I can't find them locally. See? No, you're going on top. They've been roosting, and I need to get them moved. I plan on getting their panels painted today and then assembled tomorrow and up tomorrow if I can. Oh, tomorrow's errand day, so maybe Thursday. But this week they'll be out of here. I can't tell yet if I've got any roosters, but some of the behavior. But they're getting crowded. This is just a 4x8 square place. These are dog food bowls from Dollar Tree. And I think I'm going to get some more and just build them a stand for these so they don't get knocked over. They're still going to get walked in, which is fine. Let's see. Sticking their heads in. I did have one of them in there when it wasn't quite right, but the half cup ones in there. Thought I could get away with just using 1 cup per container, but 2 makes a difference. So they should be good for the rest of today and maybe tomorrow. But still have to keep an eye out. It's getting hot. What do you think? I've seen the ones with the PVC pipes, and that's going to cost more. 3 of those cups come in a pack at Dollar Tree, so 30, a third of $1 each. That's an Americana there. Pretty soon those white ones, another couple of months, may have difficulty walking. Ooh, yeah, that one may be the rooster there. And that one may be another rooster. And that's why that's the little one. That's the smallest one in the back over there in the corner. And it's acting roosterish. That may be why that one was kind of beating it down, keeping it in its place. Pecking order. So, I think this is it. They're still see, there's a lot of waste with all the other feeders, even the commercially made ones. If you look at the ground, all this brown looking stuff, the grayish, that's not dirt, that's feed that they have spilled over, knocked over. And when I get them moved out, the white ones, I'm going to move the other ones next door and take this down and put it separately. And get it ready for the new broody batch. And when the Rhode Island Reds and the Americanas get big enough, they'll join the rest of the flock. They're not going to stay here with the Silkies. They'll get too big. And I want to expand it. I got a lot of plans, but you know how my plans go. They get modified or derailed completely. But I'm not giving up. Hey. I was worried I wasn't putting the hole, I was putting it too deep, but maybe for the next ones, for their next phase, I'm going to put the hole in the very back of the cup so they have to reach in all the way. And I got a clear, it's a cat food container. I went ahead and bought it. I spent a little bit more on that food just so I can have that container to do this with. So, thanks for watching. Be a blessing and be blessed.